Here we go. We have a question: minimum recolors to get k consecutive black blocks. So you have given a string of blocks of length n, where the ith character is either w or b, which represents the color of the ith block. The character w or b denotes black or white. You are also given an integer k, which is desired number of consecutive black blocks. Okay, so in one operation you can recolor a white block such that it become a black block. We need to return the minimum number of operation needed so that we have at least one occurrence of k consecutive black box. So we just need to convert white boxes into black ones, and we need to find out the minimum operation we need to require so that we have k consecutive black colors. So first we have this, and in this the output is this, and the minimum operation required is 3. So first this, then this, and this. So we have 3 black, and we need to convert 3 white into black so that we have 7 consecutive blacks. So the answer in this case is 3, and in this case we only need to find 2 blacks. So we have 2 blacks already, so the answer is 0. We don't need to do an operation. So let's build the approach. So this is a sliding window question. We need to figure out the consecutive 7th length box. So the 7th length box, first box is this box, this window, and in this window we need to find out the white colors. So we have white colors as 3. Initially our answer is infinity, and in this window the white boxes is 3. So this is the smallest till now, so the answer is 3. So let's move forward. So if we move forward, the next window, the next 7th length window is this, and in this again the white colors is 3. So we need to convert in this window, we need to convert 3 white into black. So the operation required in this window is also 3, which is minimum till now, and in this the operation needed is 3 only, and in this 7th length window we need 7 operations. So the answer is minimum till now, so the answer is 3, and so these are only 4 windows available in which we need to do minimum 3 operations so that we have 7 length black box. Okay, so the answer is 3 in this case. Then let's talk about this test case. So first window is this. We need to convert, our answer is infinity, which denotes the number of operations till now. We need to find out a minimum, so that's why we have taken as maximum as our initial value. So in this window we need to convert 1. We have 1 white, so the answer is 1 till now. Then if we move forward, white is till 1, so the answer is 1. Operation needed is 1. White is till 1, so the operation needed is 1. White is 0, so we don't even need to convert a window, so the answer is 0. In this we also don't need to convert. We need to convert one window, but there's a window which does not need an operation, so the answer is 0. So at the end we just need to convert the minimum operation. In this case the answer is 0. So let's build the approach. It's a pretty straightforward question. We need to find n, which is blocks, and we need to also find answer. Let's take answer as n, which denotes the number of operation needed. So I am assuming all the colors is initially white, and the answer is maximum, so we can either take infinity or length n only. Okay, so let's first figure out the current k window, and in this we need to find out the number of white boxes. The number of white boxes. So we find a white box, just increment, and our answer, or we can just cut it from here and this is our first window length. Okay, then for the next windows, iterate from k till n, and if we find ith window as black, it means we need to convert a window. And if so, let me copy it again and paste it here. And as we are going to the next window, so k minus ith character will be out of the window. So if that character is white, just decrement it. At the end, just return the answer. And here we have a window, so just figure out the minimum between answer or current, right? And let's run this, and it will work, I hope. No, we need to write length. Then let's run it again, and we have solved this question. Let's discuss about the time and space complexity. The time complexity in this code is order of n. Space is constant. Thank you all for watching.